Hi, today we are going to learn about simple machines. In this video, I am going to explain some short answers, one word and filling the blanks. First, machines. In our daily life, we use number of tools which make our work faster and easier. These tools are called machines. Machines are two types mainly. They are simple machines and complex machine. A simple machine means they are the device which make our work easier, faster and simpler. This is possible when we are able to apply force at a specific point which increases its effect and the work is done with less effort. Simple machines are six types. 1. Lever. 2. Pulley. 3. Screw. 4. Wedge. 5. Inclined plane. 6. Wheel and axle. First I am going to explain short answer. Then you will get clear idea about simple machine. In higher classes you will learn more about complex machine. In this lesson we are going to learn simple machines. Short answer question. First, what is a machine? Machine is a tool which makes our work faster and easier. It is used to do difficult work easily. Some machines have many parts, but some machines have one or two parts. Second one, what is a simple machine? Simple machines are the devices which make our work easier, faster and simpler. This is possible when we are able to apply force at a specific point which increases its effect and the work is done with less effort. The simple machine has one or two parts. 3. What is a complex machine? The combination of two or more simple machine is called a compound machine or complex machine. Complex machines have many parts. Complex machines can do more difficult jobs than simple machines do alone. Question number 4. What are the examples for simple machines? We know that simple machines have one or two parts. Example for the simple machines are the hammer, scissors, wheelbarrow, nutcracker, crowbar, tongs, pliers, etc. What are the examples for complex machine? Example, bulldozer, escalator, crane, washing machine, television, computer, mobile phone, bicycle, cars, etc. Question number 6. What is a lever? There are three types of levers: first class, second class and third class levers. The difference between the three classes depends upon where the force is, where the fulcrum is and where the load is. Lever is a simple machine that is made up of a rod resting at a point around which it moves. 7. Write some examples for lever, stapler, nutcracker, hammer, scissors, seesaw, etc. 8. Write some uses of levers. A lever is used to lift or move heavy weights, cut things, or open the lid of a tin. We use scissors to cut. In our daily life, we use a lever. For example, when we use a spoon handle to open the lid of a tin, the spoon acts as a lever. 9. What is a screw? Screw is made up of metal. It has a sharp pointed end and flat top. It is a simple machine used to join things. When an inclined plane is coiled into spiral, it forms a screw. It looks like a nail which has groove cut into it. It has a sharp pointed end and flat top. Screws are turned with the help of a screwdriver. As they rotate, they also move forward. So, they help to attach things to each other. 10. Write some examples for screw. Screw cap of bottle, screw jack, key rings, etc. 11. What are the uses of screws? Screw fits between objects and hold them together. It is not easy to pull apart things held together into a screw. A screw jack is used to lift carts and trucks. Question number 12. What is a wedge? Wedge is a triangular shaped tool. It is used to splitting, lifting and tightening the object. When two inclined planes meet at a sharp and pointed end, a wedge is formed. It is used to split open an object. 13. Write some examples for wedges. The head of an axe, the cutting edge of a knife, shovel, spear, fork are the examples of wedges. 14. What are the uses of wedge? A wedge is used to cut or split apart object. B. A wedge can also be used to lift an object or hold an object in place. We know that axe has a sharp end. Axe is used to split and cut wood. Question number 15. What is inclined plane? Inclined plane is simple machine. One end of the inclined plane is higher than the other. It is used as an aid for raising or lowering the load. A sloping surface on which heavy objects can be easily lifted or rolled down is called an inclined plane. Inclined plane requires less force to move an object than lifting it straight up. 16. Write some example for inclined plane. Sloping road, slide, ramps, stairs, wheelbarrow, water slide, etc. 17. What are the uses of inclined plane? Heavy cartons are loaded into trucks using inclined plane. The patient are carried to the hospital on stretchers or wheelchairs using a ramp, which is an inclined plane. Inclined plane is also known as ramp. This is a picture of slide. The children can easily slide down because this is an inclined plane. Question number 18. What is wheel and axle? A wheel and axle is a simple machine. A wheel is connected to a rod. This rod is called an axle that present at the center. A wheel and axle together make a simple machine. They move together and require less effort. Write some example for wheel and axle. Sewing machine, spinning wheel, doorknob, steering wheel, egg beater, etc. 20. What are the uses of wheel and axle? Wheel and axle used in bicycle, windmill, water wheel and skateboard. They move together. This is steering wheel. This is an example for wheel and axle. Pizza cutter is also an example of wheel and axle. Question number 21. What is a pulley? Pulleys are used to reduce the time and energy taken to lift heavy objects. It pulls heavy objects easily. A pulley is a simple machine. It has a grooved wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. Question number 22. What are the uses of pulley? Pulley is used to draw water from a well. In elevators, use multiple pulleys in order to function. A crane is a type of pulley that is used in construction site. As well as flag poles are pulleys in order to hoist the flag up or to bring it down, because it pulls heavy objects easily. 23. Write some examples for pulley. Exercise machine, bulldozer, escalator. Here pulleys are using. Escalator is the moving staircase. This is the picture of pulley. You can see the wheel as well as the rope in pulley. Next, filling the blanks. 1. Machine make our work easier and dash. In bracket there is slower and faster. Machines make our work easier and faster. Second one, a pulley has a grooved dash and a rope running between the groove. A pulley has a grooved wheel and a rope running between the groove. The wheel is the correct answer. Next, 3. A wheel rotates around the rod of dash. In bracket, axe or axle. Correct answer is axle. Axle present at the center. As the axle rotates, the wheels also rotate. Thus, the movement of axle makes moving of heavier objects. Question number 4. Dash helps in pulling of heavy objects. In bracket, wedge or pulley. Pulley helps in pulling of heavy objects. Question number 5. Drill is an example of dash. Axe or screw. Drill is an example of screw. The sixth, dash is used to lift cars and trucks. In bracket, screw or screw jack. Screw jack is used to lift cars and trucks. 7. A dash in bracket winding road or straight road is an example of inclined plane. Winding road is an example of inclined plane. Question number 8. Nut bolt in the hinge of a door is an example of dash. In bracket wheel or screw. That is screw. A door knob is a wheel and axle. Example for wheel and axle. But here the nut bolt in the hinge of a door. That is screw. 9. A ramp to carry heavy boxes is an example of dash road or inclined plane. That is a inclined plane. 10. Wheels of a toy car is an example of dash axe or wheel and axle. Correct answer is wheel and axle. 11. A rope passing through a wheel to pull water from well is an example of dash the pulley. Write one word answer. A tool that make our work easier and faster. That is machine. 2. A special gap in the pulley through which the rope can move to carry the load. That is groove. 3. A combination of number of simple machines. That is complex machine. 4. A sloping surface on which heavy objects can roll or slide. That is inclined plane. It is used for raising heavy objects. One end of the inclined plane is higher than the other end. Question number 5. A simple machine used to hold things together. Answer is screw. Screw fits between objects and hold them together. 6. An application of inclined plane. That is ramps in the hospitals. 7. A simple machine used to split objects. That is wedge. 8. A simple machine made up of two inclined planes that meet to form a sharp edge. That is wedge. Example, the head of an axe, cutting edge of knife, spear, etc. Question number 9. Wheels are attached to a rigid rod. That is axle. We already discussed about that. Axle present at the center. Question number 10. A simple machine that is made up of a rod resting at a point around which it moves. That is lever. 11. A simple machine used to heavy cartons are loaded into trucks. That is inclined plane. You must read your text well and practice this worksheet also. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.